As you can see, the TV is on. It's a Sony TV. When you're going to if I go here and I play a video online, it looks like this. Still, I play any one of these videos, and the video plays good. Watch how clear the video play. The player looks distorted still, like green color, but that's what happens. The video plays good. There's no problem playing the video. That's online, but if you play through an HDMI port, it doesn't play like this. But if I'm going back to like this, you see, it's kind of weird.